What is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you get that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. So today we're talking about top altcoins to watch. Now, altcoins are all those coins that are besides Bitcoin. So any coin you can think of is basically altcoin because it's not Bitcoin. So jumping into the first one, we have ticker sign MATIC for Matic, which is represented by Polygon. They're currently at 81 cents at the time of this video. Bear in mind, crypto is 24 hours, so whenever you watch this, the price may differ, maybe up, maybe down. Just bear that in mind. Chart-wise, Matic has been doing pretty good, in my personal opinion. ROI since the inception of Polygon, they've had a 30,835 percent. So been up there pretty stout. So going here, we can see their 30-day. 30-day, they've been down just a little bit at the beginning, and then they've shot up. So they're on a little bit of a bullish run. They were down to like 36 cents, so about the same price as Doge, but they've shot up about 50 cents since then. So going to Poly, this is their website. So it says Ethereum's Internet of Blockchain. Basically explains the challenge, low throughput, poor UX, gas, delayed, POW finality. So this is Ethereum, and these are all the different connections to it. You can see Cosmos, Custom Network, Polkadot, Ethereum Fork, and Quorum. So going down here, the solution, which is Polygon, is just basically to connect all these seamlessly together. So one-click deployment of present blockchain networks, growing set of modules for developing custom networks, interoperability protocol for exchanging arbitrary messages with Ethereum and other blockchain networks, modular and optional security as a service. So that's one new thing that I think is starting to grow, security as a service. And then adapter modules for enabling interoperability for existing blockchain networks. So these are some of the features: Ethereum capability, scalability, security, sovereignty, interoperability, user experience, developer experience, and modularity. So there's some of the projects they have on here that you all can go read about, and these are some of the developers and co-founders on there. So I think Polygon is definitely going to be growing, definitely making a nice little bullish run up, and with the growth of Ethereum, I definitely see the growth of Polygon continuing to go up as time goes on. So going to the next one, we have Dogecoin. So this is Dogecoin. It's been on a nice little bullish run here pretty lately. I think it's going to have a second bullish run coming up here pretty soon. But this is their website, pretty simple. Dogecoin talks about how to get started with Doge Wallet. You can trade Dogecoin on Robinhood or Webull. Webull now offers Dogecoin. So if you'd like to sign up for any one of those platforms, I have a link down below where you can do so. You can begin trading Dogecoin today. So Dogecoin, the price is, let's exit this section. It's currently at 33 cents. So 33 cents is not too bad price wise. Going to the chart. Oh, and this is from CoinGecko. CoinGecko is a great place to just go and look at the current prices, and they have a ranking system. So Doge has made it all the way to rank number 7. So definitely growing in popularity. 24-hour looks good, but I want to look at the 30-day chart. So in the 30-day time span on this chart, we can see they've had a massive bullish run up to about this 38 cent or 41 cent high. I think it actually went a little higher than that. I think I saw on Robinhood was at like 45 cents, but this shows 41 cents, still pretty high, and it is continuing to grow. I think another bullish run is going to be happening here pretty soon with Dogecoin, so make sure you keep a close eye on Dogecoin in the coming weeks. Next one we have on here is a VChain, or VChain Thor is public blockchain that delivers its value for activities created by members within the ecosystem solving real-world economic problems. Then have some resources on here. So Application Hub, Developer Info Center, Bounty Programs, V Research, and V Note. We can see the VChain Explorer is right here. This talks about some transaction features, so collaborative transaction lifecycle, multitask transactions, or MTT for short, fee delegation, and transaction dependency. So definitely going to be looking at VChain in the future. A lot of great things coming from VChain. Not really going too in depth on it. I do think they're going to have another bullish run. In my personal opinion, definitely seeing a lot of growth and popularity. They're ranked number 14 on CoinGecko, so that definitely says a lot about them. I'm going to be looking to see the price grow. So they're currently at 20 cents. So that's not too expensive in my personal opinion as far as crypto is concerned. Looking at the chart, they're definitely on a little bullish run up as well. Going to look at the 30-day chart. Because the 30-day, in my opinion, kind of gives a more realistic view. They're kind of going to a second peak of the bullish run up. So they went to 27 cents. So that's kind of their high. So definitely going to be looking to see how they perform as time goes on. Next, we're going to look at Cardano. So Cardano definitely is one that I'm going to be looking at. They have been making moves pretty much since their inception. Now, the creator of Cardano is one of the creators of Ethereum, so basically took all the aspects that he didn't really like of Ethereum and made Cardano. So that's kind of why I like Cardano, and also some of the things they're doing with their smart contracts. Definitely like Cardano moving forward. So Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain platform. The first to be founded on peer-reviewed research and developed through evidence-based methods. It combines pioneering technologies to provide unparalleled security and sustainability in decentralized applications, systems, and societies. With a leading team of engineers, Cardano exists to redistribute power from unaccountable structures to the margins to individuals and be enabling force for positive change and progress. So the founder of Cardano has a YouTube page, so I encourage everybody to go look at his videos. Definitely has an interesting look of the world, currency, and a lot of things moving forward. So on here we have different sections: people, purpose, research, technology, and opportunity. You can go look at those different ones as well. Here are some of the partners: Cardano Foundation, Input Output, and then Murgo. And then they have like a little news press release section right here as well that I encourage everybody to go look at. As far as some of the things that they have in the news, this is from CoinDesk. This article came out today. So this basically explains Ethiopian education minister confirms Cardano blockchain partnership. So Cardano builder IOHK said to be beginning to develop the code, does not expect to launch project before 2022. Ethiopia's Minister of Education confirmed the government working with IOHK, company behind Cardano Protocol, on blockchain-based system to track student performance in African country schools. So they're basically using it as to boost their education system, which I think is a pretty cool way to use their technology. Uh, the much touted project still in the early stages. O'Connor told CoinDesk the company is only beginning to develop the code for this project and does not expect to launch it before January 2022. So it's nice to see different countries starting to accept cryptocurrencies and their different platforms moving forward. Africa has been fertile ground for crypto experimentation lately. Nigeria is one of the largest peer-to-peer Bitcoin markets in the world, according to data. Useful tips: XN Finance in Nigeria, bringing decentralized DeFi to the world, credit unions. And then Akon also building a city, crypto-centric city in Senegal. And he also has his own coin called Acoin. So I actually do have some Acoin. I was one of the early investors in Acoin when he was, starting it. So I do have quite a bit of Acoin actually. Kind of interested to see how much they're actually worth. But definitely, that was kind of my first exposure into crypto, was being one of the main investors into Acoin when it first started. So going here, we see 5 million Ethiopian students will receive Cardano blockchain-based ID. This will allow the ministry to track their academic performance, which I think is pretty cool overall, and definitely can see something like this being adopted into the U.S. Once we get past this whole, um, I guess, hype around different adaptations of crypto. So I think people now in the States kind of just look at crypto as like, something that's being tradable as an asset, but not functionality wise what it can use. And I think a lot of other countries are using it as functionality wise what can be used using the different platforms like Cardano. So looking at Cardano's price, if I can get rid of this, it is at $1.34. So not too expensive overall. If we look at the chart, I'm gonna go into the 30-day chart. Um, the 30-day chart seems like it's starting to go back up. It did have a high on this 30-day high of $1.53, so it's still relatively cheap in my personal opinion, especially considered what they're doing and their partnership with governments. Having their technology actually being used for helping a lot of different people, especially with education, I think is a very good use case and a very good way that crypto can be used to help people. So definitely Cardano is one of my favorite projects that I'm looking at, but this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what stock to or what crypto to invest into or what crypto not to invest into. It's just all for educational purposes. Tell you all what coins are out there and available. So last one on here is altcoins is Hoge Finance. So Hoge is definitely one that I've been looking at for quite a while. They're on Big One, and they have a contest coming out this weekend. But they are a deflationary token, which basically means that they have a burn rate. So every time one is bought, one is burned. We can see right here, 102% tax on all transactions to prevent the price manipulation and encourage holding, or holding, as people say. The 2% tax then splits as a weighted distribution between all holders and the burn address. So currently, they're 58.78% of all the coins ever in existence have been burned, and they're only 41.21% that are still in circulation. So less than half of the coins exist. Which I think once that number starts to get a little more scarce, we'll see the price of Hoge start to go up even more because these coins cannot be redistributed because they were burned. So the current price of Hoge is 0.000024. So this was actually the price that I bought Doge at when it first kind of got listed on Robinhood. So definitely could see this one going up, especially with the contest coming out here pretty soon. There's going to be a lot of publicity on Hoge, and people are going to be looking for any meme coin really to invest into. In my personal opinion, definitely seeing SafeMoon take off the way it did. I think people definitely like the meme coin culture, and this is just another meme coin that I can see people actually investing in. The difference between this one and Doge, though, is Doge has like just about an infinite amount of coins. The supply is very large compared to Hogecoin, where it's deflationary and coins are burned based on transactions. So I definitely could see the price of Hoge going up faster than the price of Doge. But overall, I think they're both still really good cryptocurrencies in general. Drop a comment down below. Tell me which altcoins you guys are watching. While you're down there, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.